Well, Eddie, this had better be good. I thought I'd tell you never to come here. Now that you're here, how did it go?
Not so good, boss.
Not so good? Not so good? That's what you're telling me? Not so good? You say you've got a crack team, now you're back here telling me not so good?
The West Coast DL mob, they hired Batman and...
Jake! Who did you send? Did you tell them the penalty for failure?
It wasn't their fault, boss. They were up against some big guns.
Tell Jake their names and where he can find them.
There was Billy and wee John and his woman Marilyn, but I don't know where they've gone. Somebody says they've gone into hiding.
Jake, take a couple of the boys. You know what to do. I don't want to see them again.
Did you see someone staring at me from over there?
No, sorry.
Where's Billy and wee John? Where's Billy and wee John?
They're at the Pudgy Man's.
Come on boys, come on.
You're looking better than that for the show at the weekend. Here's Big Jake and the boys.
Hello, Alex. A little bird sent us.
He goes by the name of Barlin, and she said we'll find John and Billy here. There's only me here, and my bird.
If you didn't start singing, there'll be nae birds.
No!
Right, start setting them free. It's cruel keeping them caged up.
Okay, stop. Leave my bird. Billy and John, they're in the shed.
Yes. Okay now, okay my dear, you're sorry now, you're alright.
What did you do to Marlon?
Shoot them.
No, not me. Another shot. Another angle, another...
Shoot!
Don't shoot!
Back again, Eddie. I hope for your sake the job's done.
Yes, boss. Job's done. But wee Johnny begged us for another piece of the action.
I've got an idea. We'll send him on the next mission with Curly and Jack. See if he can beat the West Coast mob. And remember, that's our silver they've got.
But what about money, boss? Guys like Curly cost a small fortune. And then there's the price of the equipment.
Go see Mr. McCarr at the bank that likes to say no. Tell him I sent you. And Eddie, when he gives you the cash, but make it look like suicide.
take the train to Dundee. Make sure you're not followed. You're lucky the boss spared you, John.
I'll get them for this.
Walk to the city centre. At the top of Union Street, you'll find a shop that sells good shooting equipment. And remember, it's not an AK-47 or an Uzi 9mm you're after, but something like an FX1 that shoots HDV.
What is it, Prof?
This is the case you wanted. Plastic explosive detonated by radio control.
Excellent. We'll give that to John, and when he's in his car, ha ha ha, bang, the price of failure.
It's armed whenever you close the lid.
Eddie, bring him in. Here's some special ammunition for you. Good shooting.
Thanks. Cheers.
Bye. Okay, Prof, hit the button.